Katseye,
Mono, Sophia, Megan, Lara Hadj,
Yunche,
Daniela.
Okay, number 7 of Vlogmas.
Just got me
Are we live right now?
Yeah.
Nope. We are. No, but sometimes it's like delayed.
No, we're live.
We're live? Oh,
We are live.
Hi,
So guys, guess. So guys, guess what today is? Can I get a drum roll? Oh, let's drum roll.
No, not today. It's not today.
It's on Saturday. What's happening on Saturday, guys?
What's
Touch
happening?
anniversary. Are we live?
Yes, we are.
I was putting some background music there.
Oh, they.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wait, what?
Stop.
That's okay.
They accidentally showed. Sorry about that. Oh my god. That's funny. That was great.
We actually also have light sticks now. Yay! If you
Wait.
didn't know.
Let me take it out of this gorgeous
Let's do a little
box.
unboxing, shall we?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm
But
ready.
I also say something. I have the first Katseye signed light stick in the world.
Whoa.
First?
Wow.
This is the first one. This is the only one you'll
Signing
sign. I held everybody hostage so they could sign my light stick, and I made sure that it says first signed light stick. So and somebody is revving up an engine outside, ready to go home.
Okay. Let's give it
Okay.
a box now.
Yeah, let's unbox.
Wow.
What's this ripped, Megan? We already got into it, kind of. So
Look at it.
oh my god, this is so.
Let's see what photo card I got. Wait, there's a photo card? Photo card?
I'm pretty sure it's a surprise. There's all the 6 members. We get all members.
Oh my god.
Bruh. Woo, bruh. Mine. I put this.
Wait, can you help me do that?
Guys, look at mine. Look at my
This is
stick.
birthday party.
I looked at it
Oh,
yesterday.
look at me. Except Megan.
Smile
icons.
You know I got you like that.
They're still not looking at me.
Guys, look
I'm
at your
looking.
chair.
I'm looking. Show me.
Wait, look. I put this. Smile.
Wait, that'd be a little bit more
That
enthusiastic.
is so.
Wait, smile, Yinchit.
So I'm just struggling to take it out of the wrap.
You got it?
Okay.
Got you. My voice is too tight.
Okay, let's go. Thank you.
So we're gonna be we're gonna be decorating our light sticks. We have some stick. We're gonna be we have. What's it?
Danny likes it.
Say it?
Yeah, you can say it.
Okay, so we're gonna decorate
These stickers.
our light sticks today, and we want to encourage you to do the same and send us pictures of what they look like. Yes. Please do that. Yes. 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 Please do that. Girls.
You're just being dummy young.
You guys are being so dumb.
No, get it together.
I'm not getting that. I'll get it. I'll get it. Hi guys.
You know that video of that person where he's like,
That's so embarrassing. Wait.
what?
No, I just saw the replay of like me going.
Oh god.
Move over. I just want to stand on the chair now.
Oh, okay. Go, Lara.
Stand up. Wait, okay, I'm gonna demonstrate what it's like to be in a Katseye.
Hey!
Okay.
What happened with your light stick, huh?
Mine is.
Alright, don't drop mine.
I go MIA.
Really
Can you guys say with me?
I go MIA. I'm a go. I go MIA. I'm so hot. I go MIA. Say where she go. Nobody know. Oh, don't get comfortable, cause I'm in and out.
started. And also, everything started. Well, guys, that's so with. So if you came to a Katseye on tour, you came to Lollapalooza, if you came to Summer Sun. What you been so, hey, what you been so, oh shit. Wait, I kind of messed it up. Okay. Now you give me a beat. Wait, okay. Tuesday, I was waiting. Yeah, what can I? Oh, baby, I was getting bored. We can flexing, baby, do what we do. I'm trying to pull up on the strip and the ladies come through. We can run it. This ain't a debut. Love me once, I know you love me twice.
Happy touch anniversary.
Happy touch anniversary.
Touch, thought about you way too much, over, us, cause you've been so hard to touch.
Yeah.
You could've had my love, but you've been so hard to touch.
Bye, Katseye. Love you.